This 2024 Coachmen Leprechaun 220XG Chevy 3500 is a Class CRV. It is located in Springfield, Missouri, 65802 and is offered for sale by Reliable RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachman is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a medium pewter interior, sleeps 6, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed. This 2024 Coachmen Leprechaun 220XG Chevy 3500 is built on a Chevy 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.